Yeah, man. Welcome to Rodney's Jamaican Jerk channel, food channel. Yeah, today I'll show you how to season curry goat, Jamaican style, Jamaican way. You know, there's only one way. Yeah, man, the Jamaican way. First, we have some scallions right here. Always remember to beat the white part of the scallion so you can get all of the juice from out of it, you know. Learn that from my mother. Over here, me have the curry. Yeah, some Jamaican curry. Then we got the Scotch bonnet pepper right there. Please do not put a lot of it. And if you touch it with your hand, remember to wash your hand. Don't touch your eyes, don't touch your face. Then you have some black pepper, a little garlic right there, little oil, some salt over there. Then we got some onion and thyme. Then the most important thing, the meat. Cut it in some cubics, you know. So what we gonna do now, we gonna start by adding some Scotch bonnet right there. Gonna be adding some black pepper. And we add this garlic. Then go ahead all the time. Then the onions. Then you go be adding all that salt. Before we do anything, before we add the curry, we add a little oil. The reason for that is the oil will allow that curry and all that seasoning to stick. So what we do is we use a fork and, you know, stir it all over. You know, stir it all over so everything can, you know, everything can get a little oil in there. Then you put some curry, just like that. Sprinkle all that curry in there. Last but not least, what we do, we go drop all the scallions. So then after we drop the scallions, you know, you can still use that little fork to get everything all over it. Let me just put that camera over here so I can get a little bit more space. Get a bigger spoon. You know, so you can look in there and see where it is. I go put the camera down right over here a little bit so then I can stir it, show you how it look when it's in a little minute. See there? You know? So that's what you're looking for. If some of it like over there not have enough curry in there, you can get some more curry, but make sure all the meat is covered. Once it's all covered, then it's a good start. I'll be seasoning some more, and then as soon as I'm ready to start frying, I'll be right back with you. Okay, remember, subscribe to learn a lot more about Rodney's Jamaican Jerk and about Jamaican food and how to season that authentic food. Alright, I'll see you later. Soon come back.